to our first class in English. Today we are going to talk about learning English for beginners. So, let's get started. My first step, learn common words first. So, learn the popular English words. For example, there are 15 verbs or action words that are very common in English. My first step, learn common words first. So, learn the popular English words. For example, ask, be, become, begin, call, can, come, could, do, feel, find, get, give, go, have, hear, help, keep, know, live, let, like, look, make, may, mean, might, move, need, play, put, run, say, see, seem, should, show, start, take, talk, tell, think, try, turn, use, want, will, work, would. I recommend you learn these 15 verbs first. These are the most common action words in English. Most English sentences have one of these verbs. So, if you want to start your English, learn these 15 verbs first. So, tip number 2. You don't need perfect grammar. Okay? You can make mistakes, it's fine. Communication is more important than grammar, because sometimes people make mistakes and we can still understand them. So, you don't need perfect grammar. My third tip, in English, there are about 12 different verb tenses in English. Many people find it difficult to learn the 12 verb tenses. So when you start learning English at the beginning, first start to learn the 3 most important tenses. The 3 most important tenses are the simple present, simple past, and the simple future. These 3 verb tenses are the tenses you should learn first. Okay? So, learn 1, 2, 3. Here is the simple present. On Monday, I work. The verb work is in the simple present tense. So, work is the verb and it is in the simple present tense. So, right now, on Mondays, I work. The second verb tense you should learn is the simple past. The past is before. Yesterday is the past. Last month is the past. 2008 is the past. So, before is the past. In English, it's important to be able to talk about the past. We use the simple past tense for this. Here is an example. Yesterday, I worked. So, as you can see, we have same verb in the simple present. The verb work in the simple past is worked. It has ed. So, those are the first 2 tenses to learn. The third verb tense to learn is the future. Tomorrow is the future. Next year is the future. It's important to talk about the future in English. So here is an example of the simple future. Tomorrow I will work. When we talk about future, we can use the verb will. I will work. So, the first three grammar tenses to learn: the simple present, simple past, and the simple future. And then you can learn the other verb tenses in English. So, first start with those three tenses, then the other 9 tenses. The tip number 4: when you start learning English, it's difficult to listen. So, my recommendation is listen for a short amount of time, a small amount of time, not a long amount of time. Start with a small amount of listening. For example, listening to the movies about 2 hours. It's not a good idea. So, I don't recommend this for you. The best idea to learn English, I recommend you, is a short listening for maybe 10 seconds of listening to 1 minute of English. This is better for you to learn how to listen in English. The tip number 5: start using some words that you learned with your family and friends to improve your spelling and accent in English and your words. And try to practice English every day, because a lot of practice every day is important. 10 minutes of English every day will help you a lot in your learning. So, practice makes perfect. The last tip: review new words often. If you learn, for example, the 3 verb tenses in English today, try to study it again after 1 day or 2 days. Because to remember a word, you need to see the word many times. So, review many times. And when you learn new word or grammar tenses, you should test yourself, because that will help to remember and memorize the words. Thank you so much for watching. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more English and more other things. So, until next time, take care.